guys, welcome to the next video we make. It is us. As you could see, you're like, where are we? Are in the Poconos. We're about to take a trip. Okay? The trip starts in a couple seconds. So we have a new person. Her name is Lily. Do you want to say anything?
We will be traveling like round a circle, and we're gonna stay here until the first day of January.
We're gonna be here to New Year. This is where we're gonna be walking, in that distance. Also, we're bringing dogs. And here the journey starts. This is how close the sticks are to each other. Now look how clear it is. It's a normal trail now.
The trail's right there. That's real poking. So, I know this is crazy, but there's a path, and this mountain has somewhere to the other side.
Yep. Wait, what's that? That tree. That tree has something black on it, like actually painted.
Yeah. And if you go to Walmart, it would see a big trail.
Look how it is.
Yeah. It can go one edge.
Look what's coming up. Look what's here. Up here, look the other mountain. I forget what it's called though. Look at it now. Down here.
And we should make that
Down here, as you could see, it's
dogs.
super steep. Look at it.
Whoa.
And also Eve Austin again. It is so steep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And there might be a creek.
Hopefully. Whoa. Hold on, I need to zoom in on that. Not on the dog, I mean.
Everyone will like that part.
Mm-hmm.
Clifford!
Look at this.
Clifford!
Look at this. Whoa. Look at all of this. Look, ready?
Is this cornfield?
Oh my gosh, look at all these rocks. Here. Look at this amazing view of these mountains. It's beautiful. Look at this amazing view. I know you can't see, but there's a little thing flashing. I can't believe it's that far away, but this is amazing. Here it is. See, it's so beautiful like this. Look at this. See how all of the clouds are dark, but right here it is so bright. I mean, super bright. This is Blue, our dog, and that's Clifford. Look at this view now. Look at this. Even down here, it is so steep. Whoa, this is so cool. Look at this now.
Help me!
I could barely climb up. Really, I actually can't. This is so steep. Look at this, it's just leaning on the side. It's so cool. And it just started raining. Oh my gosh. Remember I was over there? That's how far we gotten. And then I just found this. I'm not sure what that is. Look all the way back there. There's a mountain. Can you believe that? Look how big these mountains are. Look at this. This is the coolest thing ever. And you guys can't see, but it's super dark. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at it now. Look at these little two dogs. Bye. Make sure to